In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize index views for objects in Hubspot. How to index customization for objects in Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to right here, Global Home on Hubspot, and then scroll down until you reach the actual settings for this. You can also click on to this gear icon to open your settings. Now, once it's loaded, you can proceed to go to the object. So let's scroll down right here until you find the objects. Expand it right there. Once it's expanded, just open the index view of the actual object that you want. So for example, let's choose right here our contacts. Once you have selected the actual object that you want, open the index view that it has available right there. Click on this index customization under the More page, and from in there, it will show you the CRM for this. Here we have the default view as well as the all views. You can head over and change this and edit the columns for this. Click on the all views and edit it out according to your liking. You can proceed to click on any one of them and then change the view it has associated with it. That's it for this quick tutorial. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.